Hey guys, I'm showing you this Wagons Carts Foldable 200-liter large capacity lounge wagon. All-terrain wagon used as a beach wagon, grocery cart, garden cart, sports wagon or camping wagon. So you can see this comes in a nice box. This can be is foldable, so you can also fold it and store it. So here this is the manual, so that describe how you can assemble or open this one, so that is straightforward and easy. So the maximum load you can take is up to 220 lbs, but I will say 200 lbs is a good amount. So this is the foldable base, so I will just show like how to set this up. So let's open this one first. So you can just unfold this and just stretch it out so that you will have it in a shape. Once it's a shape, you can just put in the base, put in the top cover. So you'll be sure that you hook it up in all these corners, and once you just put it on all the corners and stretch it, then there are the knobs that you can open and put it on this. So these you can see like the small knobs that goes and then top of it. Yeah, so these knobs you can just open from there and you can just put it on the top of it. So same like on the all the four corners, you can do that. So once this is all set, then you can just put in the handle with the knob, and you can, so handle you can stretch, you can tilt, or it's adjustable one with the easy angles, and then you can just take it. So the wheels and everything is good and strong. You can see the whole cart, it's pretty easy with the big wheels. And then is a all-terrain wheel that can go on anything like the flooring or outside, and you can see the good size wagon here. So it's a strong good size wagon with a multi-purpose that you can use anywhere and take it anywhere. So it's a nice foldable, portable, any type, any terrain wagon for multi-purpose you can use anywhere.